How to update Uber driver profile info. First, open the Uber driver app and log in with your account. Tap on the menu icon in the top corner and select Account, then go to Documents or Profile. Here, you'll see the details linked to your driver account, such as your name, photo, phone number, email, and vehicle information. Tap on the section you'd like to update and follow the prompts to make changes, like uploading a new profile photo, updating your contact info, or editing your vehicle details if you've switched cars. Some updates, such as name changes or important documents, may require you to upload proof and wait for approval from Uber before the changes appear. Always make sure the information you enter is correct, since this is what passengers in Uber use to contact you. Once everything is updated, save your changes and Uber will review them if needed. You'll get a notification in the app once the updates are confirmed and active. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.